The classic headshot pose has long been a staple in professional portrait photography. It typically features the subject facing the camera with a relaxed, confident expression, capturing both personality and professionalism. This pose is essential for business profiles, acting portfolios, and social media, as it creates a strong first impression. By focusing on clear facial features and natural posture, the classic headshot communicates approachability and competence. Its enduring popularity stems from its simplicity and effectiveness in conveying the best version of oneself. Understanding the fundamentals of this pose can greatly enhance the impact of any professional portrait. By gently moving the chin forward, you can enhance the definition of your jawline, giving your face a more sculpted look. This subtle adjustment not only sharpens your profile, but also conveys a sense of confidence and poise. The technique is often used in photography and public speaking to project self-assurance. Maintaining this position helps prevent a recessed or double chin effect, ensuring that your facial features appear clear and prominent. With practice, this simple change can make a noticeable difference in your overall appearance. To achieve a more natural and flattering appearance on camera, it's helpful to relax your shoulders and angle them about 30 degrees away from the lens. This subtle adjustment creates a softer silhouette and helps avoid a stiff or squared-off posture. By turning your shoulders slightly, you add depth and dimension to your profile, making the overall image more visually appealing. Relaxing your shoulders also conveys a sense of ease and confidence, which can enhance your presence in photos or videos. This technique is commonly used in portrait photography to highlight the subject's best features while maintaining a comfortable and approachable look. Encouraging the subject to look directly into the camera lens helps create a sense of connection with the viewer. This direct gaze establishes engagement, making the audience feel as though the subject is speaking to them personally. It can convey confidence, sincerity, and openness. By maintaining eye contact with the lens, the subject draws viewers in and fosters a more intimate and compelling experience. This technique is especially effective in interviews, presentations, and any scenario where building rapport is important. When deciding whether to smile or maintain a neutral expression, it's important to consider the context, especially in professional settings. A genuine smile can convey warmth, approachability, and confidence, making it suitable for interviews, presentations, or client interactions. However, a neutral expression may be more appropriate in situations that require seriousness or impartiality, such as negotiations or delivering critical feedback. Understanding the expectations of your workplace culture can also guide your choice. Ultimately, being mindful of your facial expressions helps you communicate effectively and project the right impression in any professional scenario. Positioning your light source at a 45-degree angle from the camera is a widely used technique to create flattering, professional-looking results. This setup helps to sculpt the subject's features, adding dimension and depth to the face, while minimizing harsh shadows. The gentle contrast produced by this angle highlights natural contours, making the subject appear more vibrant and engaging. It's a versatile approach, suitable for interviews, portraits, and a variety of video productions. By avoiding direct, front-facing light, you reduce the risk of a flat or washed-out appearance. This method also enhances the overall mood and quality of your footage, contributing to a polished final product. To achieve a classic, professional headshot, start by choosing a simple background that doesn't distract from your face. Opt for natural lighting or soft studio lights to create a flattering effect. Dress in solid colors and professional attire that reflects your industry, avoiding busy patterns or logos. Maintain good posture and a relaxed, confident expression. Ensure your hair and makeup are neat and understated, keeping the focus on your features. Finally, work with a skilled photographer who can guide you through poses and angles that highlight your best qualities.